G'day, thanks for watching. Let's look at the Dow. So out of the 9-week low, price tried to push up. It touched almost the all-time high and has since backed off. On this daily time frame, there's a low that could possibly be the 40-day low. It occurred on the 30th of January. I think it's too early. I think the 40-day low is still coming. I am expecting that price will tip over from here and make its low sometime between the 5th and the 12th of February. If you'd like early access to these cycle outlook videos soon after trading ends, instead of delayed on YouTube, you can subscribe to the early access list. The link is at the top of the description. The 30th of January is very early, but never say never. If the 30th of January turns out to be the 40-day low, early in an uptrend is not a surprise, but that is very early and would indicate extreme underlying uptrend. Let's see. Thanks for watching.